Look at this goodness. Hello guys, hello food lovers, welcome back to my channel. I am Blessing Biolisi and you're in the right place if you want to make and eat healthy, tasty meal on a very lean budget. In this episode, I'll be sharing steps to prepare beef dodo. This meal costs less than 800 naira. That is if you already have your gas and your seasoning at home. That is basically less than $2, right? Well, no gizzard, no problem. So let's get into it. But first, I would like you to know that this particular serving is for two. I used two plantain and all these you see here. I actually use less tomato than you see currently. So I really love to use oil when I'm blending my tomato and pepper. It really gives this very nice consistency. I don't know, it's just different from using water. So I encourage you guys to probably try that and see the difference. It might be something you would like and you might keep trying it. Guys, if you're not used to using nutmeg, I think you should certainly try it for your beef dodo. It gives this woody, spicy, sweet aroma that you would fall in love with when you try it. So make sure you use the secret. So guys, I really should apologize. This was actually a mistake on my part. I didn't realize I wasn't recording when I added my, blended content. Basically, it was just the oil and then I added the blended content. So you didn't miss out on anything. Hello food lovers, I hope you guys enjoyed the process. It was easy, right? If you ever get to try this at home, please don't forget to share with us how it tastes in the comment section. And if you have a different way to prepare this, feel free to share it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video was helpful and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button.